Hey, what's up guys, Lord Civick here, and today we're going to be unboxing the R6 Meta. Lord Civick, you literally just got a PA720. Why the hell are you getting another upgrade? I also just ordered a PA410, but we'll talk about that another day. But after getting the PA720 and experiencing a fully powered 7.2.4 Dolby Atmos setup for the first time, my hunger for better sound has grown, and I now have another case of upgrade-itis. I also plan on upgrading the front channel speakers, which we're going to talk a little bit more throughout the video. But I want to give a special shout out to Max Chambliss. Last year, he did it was an unboxing video. I don't know if it was an unboxing video or maybe it was just a review comparison between the R2C. I think it was an unboxing video. But I had no idea about the existence of this speaker until his video. I'd heard about the R2C Meta and I was just like, probably not going to upgrade. But when I heard about the R6 Meta throughout his video, I was kind of like, always in the back of my head, dang, sometime soon-ish I'll get it. And today, the day has came. And I also plan on probably getting the R3 Meta for my front channel speakers, or possibly even the R7. I would like to hear your guys' opinion. You guys know my setup. Let me know what you think. But regardless, you guys can expect to see a lot more home theater content on this channel. And I also plan on doing a comparison between the R2C and the R6. Like always, thank you guys again so much for watching. With saying that, please make sure to hit that like, subscribe button. Let's hop right in. So first and foremost, I just want to give a heads up. I know with these type of videos, I usually do early impressions videos, but for this specific one, I want this speaker to at least break in a little bit because I'm going to be also in my early impression video talking about it in comparison to the R2C, and I want to give both speakers a fair chance. I'm trying to stay more consistent, so when I say promise, I mean that. I'm going to try to get it out within a week, but you know, things can happen, so it might be 2 weeks at the most, but I promise I will get it out. Honestly, I'm excited to do this because the new Batman animated series came out on Amazon Prime, and it's been 3 days, and I haven't gotten my fix of vengeance in 3 days, and it's been not hard to dodge spoilers, because I don't know, maybe there is stuff to dodge or spoil, but nothing is been spoiled for me or whatever, but I'm really excited to watch it. I've seen it's gotten stellar reviews or whatever, and with this speaker, the dialogue and everything in the center channel is going to just sound absolutely fantastic. So why did I get this speaker instead of the R2C? Because the R2C Meta, because the R2C Meta is still going to be an upgrade as well. And honestly, the reason I didn't get the R2C, it's more similarly priced. So like basically I saw my R2C, I don't know how much I'm going to get exactly, but I'd probably get closer to how much it would cost to get the R2C than it is the R6, especially since the R6 is $2,000. But I wanted a bigger speaker, and you can see I've moved my setup around a little as well for you longtime viewers. And here, first and foremost, it gives me, I don't even know what this is. Give me a second. Oh, it's a hello, welcome to KEF. I mean, for me, it's more so like welcome back. But it has this really cool booklet right there. It has like a register now thing. And, oh, that is super cool. Okay, so let me see. I hope, I have autofocus on, but I hope this does it correctly. But basically it has the whole KEF Meta series and all the different speakers. The R11, R7, R5, R3, R6, and then R2. It doesn't have the reference series because that's like a totally different line. This has just like the R series or whatever. I'm gonna take some close-up shots of this after the video for you guys. So the packaging is actually really good. This was up on the top. But here, let me keep going on with my point. So I decided to get the R6 because I wanted an actual large upgrade instead of just like, you know, small incremental thing, because I believe the drive size and everything on the R2C and then the R2C Meta is the same, but the R6 is a little bit larger, and I think I believe, is it ported? I believe it's ported. I might be wrong on that, but I know that it uses the same similar technology compared it to like the R5 and the R7 versus like the R2C or whatever. Here, let me give you guys a nice look at the inside. Oop, inside of the box. So this is the inside, well packaged. You see it's not even like moving or whatever because it's really freaking well secured. Then also my next point, dang, wow, This is a lot heavier than the R2C. Oh my god. I mean, I lifted the box, so I already knew it was heavy, but I thought most of the packaging was the weight. Dang, this thing is beefy. Wait, is this the backside? Yeah, that's the backside. Okay, so maybe I should just turn it around then. I didn't know which side was the front. So, my thing with the R3, I want to talk about this because I really, really do want your guys' opinion. So, you know, I have the PV4000, so I really don't need the bass extension on the speakers. But then again, when it comes to musicality and different stuff like that, having actual bass on the speakers, even in home theater, I have my crossover set, was it 80 or 90? I believe it's 80 or 90. 80, and then like the higher, you know, the Dolby Atmos ones I have set like even higher or whatever. But it's like, the R3 is really nice. It's really freaking nice. But the R7's, like, I love floor standing tower speakers. Give me 1 second. Oh my gosh, dog. This is so freaking heavy. Okay, so we're gonna throw this to the ground. Okay, slide this over. So, honestly, I'd really like to get the R11s. I'm not gonna lie. The R11s are really nice, and I actually saw a deal for them online somewhere for $4,800, which is technically cheaper than the R7, but they're in black, and I really like the aesthetic of the white speakers. And, you know, I'm not really like somebody that just has the white speakers just like, you know, to be quirky and different. Like, I like the aesthetic and like how it looks a little, you know, not as similar as a lot of other people's setup. And I love the aesthetic of KEF. Like, my person that got me in the home theater, Kill Media, when I was telling him about I want to get like what's the difference between the R3 or R7, he said that I should ask people online because he's not really that familiar with the differences of it, especially because the Meta line is brand new and there's very little information out right now. But he was saying that I should go to a new line of speakers, but I just love KEF speakers so freaking much. And I actually I plan on making a video. Here, let me bring this up right here because I do not want to rub it up against this wood table and scratching and different stuff like that. Oh, also, I guess, well, I can open that afterwards. This is the grill that goes over the speaker or whatever, but I just, why am I, okay. Give me 1 second. Let's put this here. And this is heavy, so I'm not even gonna attempt to talk. Okay. So, one reason I really hate the KEF is because, you know, they look like well-decorated furniture. Like, they seamlessly fit into basically any room that they go in. You know, I'm gonna just have to tear this off. I have scissors somewhere, right? I was just gonna, like, slide it off, but it's kind of tricky. So the thing I was saying with the bass extension a little earlier is the R11s and the R7 is going to have more bass extension than the R3s. I'm not even really looking at the R5s because I've seen that the measurements between the R3s and the R5s are very similar. So the R5 is kind of really just like out of the window. And when I'm saying all this, I think I made it clear, but I'm talking about the Meta speakers. But I'm really excited to hear how all of these things sound when together. And, you know, the Meta series, I'm literally going to hear, and I guess I'll be able to talk about this in my, gosh, man. Okay, I guess I'll be able to talk about this in my early impressions video. I'm going to put it down right here for a second. Is do the reference speakers, do the Meta KEF R series seamlessly fit in with the regular R series? And I think they would, because I believe the only thing that's different is on the Meta is they have the thing on the back of the speakers on the rear that basically gets rid of like unwanted sound, so it creates a nice clear sound and clear imaging, I'm guessing. Dang, I'm almost out of breath. This thing is freaking heavy. So here, let me give you guys a nice little look. I'm so glad I brought a chair right here. It is very beautiful, honestly. This isn't a full look. Let me take it off of this. I brought off of this so we wouldn't damage it or whatever, but we're gonna do that. So, dang, can't open it up so you can't see the back of the driver, but honestly, it's really freaking pretty. It's really freaking pretty. And okay. Oh, so here, let me just bring this up real quick. Oh, I guess I would have to unplug that and different stuff like that, which I will do. Give me 1 second. Trying to figure out where everything is. I should have done this prior to. And where is my home theater remote? Okay, there it is. Okay. We gotta power it off because you never want to unplug your speakers when they are still plugged up to a powered receiver or amplifier. So, ooh. Okay, that was my speaker stand. But here, I'm gonna delicately put it on there, and I gotta put it on that way and not slide around so it doesn't scratch or whatever. Okay, so, wow, that's a lot freaking bigger. So not only is it bigger this way, like by, I don't know, tape measure, but like also even the back side of it, there's like a good maybe like 2 inches. So it's really thick. Okay, it's really thick, and it's basically a lot bigger. And even the woofers in the tweeter, is the tweeter the same size? No, it's a little bigger, but you can like barely see the difference. But I love right here that it has metamaterial absorption. Sorry, I'm tired. This speaker's heavy. And then the unique Q driver array that's right here is now at the top because I'm guessing that's their way of like referencing the meta. Also, forgot about this. I also didn't take this off on my original speakers until like a year because I didn't even see that there were stickers there. But that looks very similar as well. So right here, I have a wooden cabinet or whatever, but I got this isolation pad that my boy Kill Media had on his Instagram story. ISO acoustics. I guess I should also talk about this at a certain point or whatever, but I'm sorry guys, out of breath. This thing is freaking heavy. Like I said, I'm planning on doing a comparison video between these two speakers, and then I also will do a review on this and then also an early impressions at some point as well within the next 2 weeks, like I said. But if you guys have any questions about this, and the Arcam video at the time of this video is already recorded, it'll probably be out before this, but just want to make that clear. Just let me know. I also stream on Twitch every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and some other days as well. But if you guys want to like hop in there and chat with me about like anything or any of the equipment that I have, or just talk about gaming and stuff like that, please feel free to hop in there. Now, saying that, thank you guys again so much for watching, and hope you guys have a great day.